Hey guys, what's up? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a tooltip on Tkinter widgets. So let's continue our coding here. First I have to import Tkinter as Tkinter. Now I am building a class here for tooltip. Class tooltip. Here we will receive widget. Now we have to bind events like mouse enter. So when we mouse over, this event will be fired. And this method will be called. And second event we have to use leave. And this will hide our tooltip. Let's create our methods for tooltip. Show tooltip. Here we will check if the text is passed or not passed. Here I am passing coordinates of x and y. Right. Here I will pass the x and y of the mouse. Okay, now here we have to create a small label that will contain the text of tooltip. Guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. this method will show the tooltip. Now we have to create this hide tooltip method that will hide our tooltip when the mouse leaves the widgets. Tooltip window, we are resetting it to none. Okay, so this is our the class. Let's create some widgets in our Tkinter window. So first we have to create a window. Sorry, win. I'm using win. I usually use win instead of root variable. This is the size of our application window. 300 by 200 will be good enough, I think. And X and Y will be 2020. It will be good. Let's create couple of our widgets to show tooltip on. So I'm creating a label. Text will be, I think, mouse over me. And let me increase some font size so you can easily view in the video. And next widget will be button. You can create any, of course. I'm just creating examples with these two components, label and button. Sorry. Win text over me. Let me set font size here as well. Now we have to call our class tooltip on both widgets, so I will simply call our class, and here I will pass the widget name. First is label. This is tooltip on label, and second is button. So btn, this is tooltip on button. Okay, so I think it's complete. Let's run the program. Okay, I made some mistake here. It's saying tooltip. Okay. I mistyped here. Okay, you can see the tooltip. Let me increase the font size in tooltip as well so you can easily watch it. Let's run it again. And here when I mouse over, you can see the tooltip here, and when I mouse over on the button, you can see This is tooltip on button, and this is tooltip on label. Okay guys, I hope it will be useful for you. Don't forget to like my video guys. Thank you for your support. See you in next video. Goodbye.